The configuration for LOQ laptops have changed. I did make a short, but I guess people missed that. So yeah, here it is. So now if you go to the website and Nishant/MTF, now if you open the LOQ configuration, things have changed a bit, mainly in terms of what you have to buy. Earlier, they were not the same cost. Okay, so let me say, let's just focus on the base variant. So that's 7640HS processor, Windows 11. Do add this. Earlier this was 2000, so we were not adding it, or I was not recommending it. But now it is ₹1 without a question. Get this. Earlier, I used to say to some people who were looking to upgrade their RAM to more than 16 GB, which are like most people. The problem was no, there was no problem. The problem is the availability of RAM. It might be good just to get the two sticks of 88 GB right now if you are unable to find a RAM in the market. Okay, this is your choice. However, what I recommend is check Amazon and Flipkart and wherever you buy offline stores for the RAMs first. If you can, you even buy DDR5 5600 megahertz at a reasonable price. If you can, then sure, go with the 8 GB variant and then install extra 16 or 32 whatever you want. Since it is DDR5, it doesn't matter. Anyways, however, this is what I recommend for most people. Second thing, the difference between the 512 GB M.2, the 2242, the smaller slot, is not that much. Earlier it was 4600, now it is only 2300. So now you can go with this. This is not a Gen 4 SSD. This is a Gen 3 SSD, but I think you should still go with this. Anyways, do not get the 60 hertz screen, even if you do not plan on gaming. I don't give 60 hertz screen for gaming. I give it for 144 hertz for gaming. I give it just for normal work. It makes a huge difference. So please get this one. Graphics card, it is up to you. Do not भाई बहुत बेकार कैमरा है 1080p FHD camera is too bad and you are going to say 500 and get even worse camera, so don't even think about it. RGB is your choice. I will judge you harshly why are you spending money on RGB rather than the above things, but yeah, it is your choice. Someone said that resale value will be high. I don't know with the how easily how quickly the technology is growing. I think there are worse problem. Don't get this mouse. Let it be. 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 In any case, I don't think this is going to happen. But in future, if you see an 30 watt adoption without a question, if you see a 230 watt adapter without a question, get it. But I don't think they're going to bring it in India. Okay. So after you do that, so that's the config. You selected 7640. This is not an option. You selected Microsoft Office this. Okay, so this is the base variant. We're talking about the base variant. Okay, and if we keep moving down, so the laptop is now costing you. This is not the actual cost. We will check what is better. Okay, let's check what is better. So the laptop is 78432 plus 5000. Then the reason for that is an e-coupon has already been applied, custom off, which is giving you 5000 rupees off. Okay, so the code is custom off, but if you take the code from me, yeah, it's 5840. Okay, so yeah, that is your choice. You want to save 840 rupees or not. So after you add that, the actual laptop cost should be 83432. After you add this coupon, whatever coupon I gave, it should be your cart value should be 80,592. A cashback, this is highly recommend. This is the only reason. Okay, if you do not have cashback, your research hasn't stopped. Okay, go ahead, do more research, find a better options, or what I recommend to everyone, brother, please arrange a credit card from anyone. You are saving 8,000 rupees even on that's the base LOQ variant. It is worth it. Okay, it is worth it. Give him 1-2,000 if you have. Okay, but yeah, make sure you trust that person. पुश करके जैसा नहीं, क्यों पुश कर? We'll make a video about him. That's the Reliance thing. But once he gets the refund, we'll talk about more about it. Anyways, so effective cost with ADP, yeah, ADP also. Now let's go to the next page. Okay, ignore the price that you're going to see here from now. Okay, you select where is it? Where is it? You can see it has opened up. 3-year accidental damage. This is what we are interested in, nothing else. 3Y accidental damage protection. Don't care about anything else. You select this for 3000. Okay, we select this, so it should now be 3001. Okay, you select this, you go to next page, and these are your choice. I think you can find better things on Amazon regarding this monitor. This, do select this one rupees back, please select this one rupees back, regardless of I think there are better options than these are horrible headphones. Okay, there are better options than these. This is here is the M300, not worth 1100. Please don't get it. None of these are worth getting. This is worth getting, none of these are worth getting. This is not worth getting. Anyways, after you have done that, you do add to cart, and now I have to remove the older. Which one did I add? Remove. Yes, delete item. Okay, so now you can see the laptop custom of code has been applied of 5000. Okay, now let's see what happens if I apply my own code. I just need 2 seconds. Let's go. Yeah, anyways, so after you apply my secret code that you get from Insta, this is not a code, I'm just showing you. This is not a code that I'm showing you. You will get 5840 rupees off. Let me just turn this chat off. Yeah, so you get 5840 rupees off, and now you can see the laptop. So if you go by the sheet, laptop was supposed to be 83432. What you would have shown was 78432. Cart value should be 80593. Where is 1 rupee? Okay, I forgot this. 1 rupee courier carry. Okay, so it is 83432. The laptop in cart should be 80594, which it is. The coupon was 80480. Credit card should be 10,000. Now let's move on to the credit card thing. Where is the credit card thing? Is the just a moment, please. Construction work is going on, but it can't wait because someone is about to order. पैसा चाहिए बाबू, पैसा पैसा ही पैसा. I mean, let's move on. So all CTO machines, do not look at this. This is these offers are not for LOQ. CTO, customizable machines that are taking a lot of time for delivery. It is 10% up to 10,000, at least up until this offer goes on. Remember, it is written here that on EMI transaction you only get 2500 off. You do not get 10% off. Okay, so do not do EMI transaction. Anyways, but ignore that line. Here is the line. Offer is not valid on EMI transaction. They are confused among themselves, but I am telling you that EMI, it's not valid on EMI transaction. Okay, it's not valid on EMI transaction. Anyways, no promo codes are required for this cashback. It won't come immediately. It is written here that after the delivery of product, 30 days after the delivery of product, you will get it in your account. 30 days after delivery. So that's 2 or 3 months. Okay, that's the max. In practice, however, it only takes 40 days. Anyways, moving on. There is one more thing. Where is it? And that's, before ordering. Where is it? You know what? Let me pause the video. So yeah, the second thing was customized offer. So if you are getting the LOQ, and if you get your laptop exchanged from Cashify, you get 5000 bonus cashback on the amount which Cashify gives you. Now, Cashify doesn't give you as much discount and offer as Flipkart gives, or even sometimes Amazon gives. So it is your work to figure out what is a better deal for you. Amazon, Flipkart, other laptops, or this one. But I'm just telling you that if you're getting this laptop like the way I have showed you, and you have another laptop lying around, you can do this. Remember, the process is a bit different. Okay, once on Lenovo.com spot, they check exchange details button and then give it a tap to begin. This is how you have to start. There are already videos about everything that I'm talking about. the ADP I showed, the delivery times are shown, which credit cards are applied. Basically, all credit cards except the Bajaj Finserv, which you can't even use it. Okay, uh, and whatever thing that I'm discussing, delivery times, I will link. I think maybe 10 or 15 videos in the video's description, so you don't bother me with that. Anyways, moving on. So yeah, the process is a bit different. Okay, because here what happens? What they don't take your laptop right away. Okay, they don't take your laptop right away. What will happen is you will receive newly ordered laptop. Okay, first you will get your laptop. Okay, after that Cashify, either Cashify will call you or you have to do this. This is still new for Lenovo, this is still new for me, so it's better you call it and confirm from Lenovo. Okay, if you are going this route, please call and confirm. Anyways, so your old machine, if you have any old machine and you are getting the LOQ, do not confuse with that. You are getting the LOQ, you get 5,000 bonus cashback on the जो क्या कहते हैं उसको हिंदी में, जो तुच्छ सा अमाउंट तुमको कैशिफाई दे रहा है उसके ऊपर जो दे रहा है एक्स्ट्रा. Why I'm telling you this? Because even if you have a dead machine, you can exchange it to Cashify for 100 rupees, but you still get 5,000 extra. Okay, that is the reason I'm telling you this. Anyways, yeah, moving on, moving on, moving on. Cashback, I will attach everything in the videos. Now, about the delivery, it says ships by January 18 right now. Okay, it says ships by January 18. So what I have confirmed from Lenovo, you can also confirm it from yourself. This is the day that the laptop will drop in India. Yes, the laptop isn't here, not the parts are here. Everything is in mostly in China, some in Korea, some other places. Okay, so it is customized in China. It is assembled. Every parts are brought there. It is customized there, and then it is sent at your address. Okay, so once it drops into India, someone told me that Lenovo has said it drops in Bangalore first. I am not 100% sure, so I will not commit on that, but yeah, let's say it comes to Bangalore first. After that, it can take anywhere from 4 to 7 days. Okay, that I'm confirmed. If you are close, it can, I have seen it being delivered in like 2 or 3 days. And anyways, I post everything on the YouTube things. Anyways, now, so January 18th plus 7. So that is how much? 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25th. It says 25th of January when I'm ordering on the 28th. How much that is time is that? 25th. 1 week, 2 week, 7, 14, 21. So it basically they are saying 4 weeks. So this basically means 4 weeks delivery in the past, except the last few orders, more than $300. Most were delivered in 23 days. Most were delivered in 23 days. Last few days, some orders were delayed and even got cancelled. Even after 1 month, I already made a video on that. So last few months, last few orders, not months, last few orders, I think 2 or 3 orders. Oh, sorry. If you do split payment, if you do the split payment, your order will be delayed by 10-15 days extra. Write it down. Okay, so if you are not paying 100% from your credit card, you let's say you do not have the credit card limit. Okay, if you do not have a credit card limit of, let's say, what's the amount, 80,000, you only have like 70,000 or 50,000. Okay, you can still call Lenovo. You can call Lenovo, any sales agent. They will send you a payment link. Okay, you can pay 50,000 from your credit card, and the other they will send you a link. You can pay with anything. For the amount you paid on credit card, let's say 50,000, you will still get the 5,000 cashback. Okay, so that is called split payment. The problem with split payment is I think 2 people, it has happened with 2 people now who did split payment. Their order are delayed by 10 or 15 days. Okay, now if you remove that person from the equation, I already posted about him on the YouTube. If I will find it, I will post it in the comments, in the description. The other guy, yeah, his was a special case. That actually happened to him. It took him 33 days instead of 23 days. I don't know what happened, but it did take 33 days. But uh, earlier I used to say average 23 days. Now I am not sure. So it might take what the time they're saying. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, just because it doesn't happen with anyone doesn't mean it won't happen to you. 1% chance might apply to you, it becomes 100% for you. Okay, so yeah, you have to take that bit of a risk. Second thing, about LOQ laptops, some sort of issues. One person got a laptop whose which was basically he didn't even get the laptop. The laptop was damaged in delivery. He got a complete refund. Yes, his time was wasted. Yes, he didn't get anything extra from Lenovo. I am very mad at him. Second person, recently I made a video. His order was shipped, everything was, he didn't get any confirm. Basically, the problem with Lenovo is they don't give in any notification what the process your laptop is in. Is it being assembled? Is it in China? Is it? They don't tell you anything unless the laptop drops in India. So after he waited 30 days, he got nothing. He was said that your laptop has been cancelled due to part unavailability. It happens. You must know that. I asked for an official figure. She said, the agent I talked to, she said 8%. 8% orders are either delayed. 8% orders are either delayed by a lot, okay, or cancelled. So I said, no, 8% is not the cancellation time. She said, yeah, I'm not sure about the cancellation. So I can tell you what the cancellation percentage is. Out of 300 orders, 2% orders were cancelled. So it's 150. So that is a bit of a chance. Anyways, second thing, it is an IPS laptop, okay, and it is a budget laptop. You can't expect a VA type quality or an OLED type quality from an IPS panel. I have already made videos on that. No. Your research hasn't stopped here. Your research doesn't stop with this video. It only begins. I'm going to confuse you a lot more. That is my goal. Confuse you as much as I can. Okay. I will attach this. So this is IPS glow. Okay. So if you move from side to side, you can see the glow shifting. If that is happening, no one is going to give you a refund regardless of what company or what model you have. That is the quality of IPS, and that is what they will say you. They will even give you an official figure. Okay. And if you go in this video, there are other pixel policies for every company. You can say here for Dell, MSI, Acer, Lenovo, Asus. If you see, what you will be surprised to know that Dell laptop on basically the good resolution, dark subpixel up to 4 are allowed. Okay, brown dark subpixel 4 are allowed. Okay. Anyways, so we are talking about Lenovo, so let's focus on Lenovo. You can see total dark subpixels 5 or less. They can say this. However, if you do get a defective 3 4 dots, black dots or white dots, they still consider it and they still give you a refund, not a replacement. Now, my intention with this video was to give you every tool I had at my disposal. I showed you everything that happens, everything that is going on here. Okay, I showed you. The thing is, it is complex. It is not simple. It is complex. I understand. That is why I always tell everyone, please come to Instagram. Please come to Instagram. I will do one-on-one talk with you, and then we will look into together what you want or what you don't. That is the reason I call everyone on Instagram. Not everyone needs a laptop. Not everyone needs a gaming laptop. Not everyone needs a thin and light laptop. Not everyone, even should consider buying a laptop for the next 1 or 2 years. It depends on the person. The confusion I created with this video, you can call it confusion. It's not confusion. These are everything that you have to look into if you are going blind into this. Okay, if you are going blind into this, these are the things you have to look by yourself. Otherwise, I am here. Otherwise, I am here. I am on Instagram. Since I work from 10 to 19 hours, you will see me not replying to your messages. Anyways, yeah, thanks. With that, let's हिंदी में क्या बता हिंदी में नो नेक्स्ट